Video, I'm going to show you how you can make $900 or more in a day simply by reselling done-for-you digital programs in the e-learning industry, which is like $1 billion a day industry. You don't have to create anything here because we give you everything. We give you 4 different digital programs that you can resell, and you earn 100% profit per sale. This is not MLM. This is not affiliate marketing. So you don't earn small commissions. It's more of high ticket marketing with master resale rights. That's how you earn 100% profit per sale. And right now we have 4 different digital programs that you can learn from and then resell. So you can make $100, $300, $600, and $900 over and over again, paid directly to you. And soon we'll be launching our next product, our next program, which is going to be selling for $1,400. So you're going to be able to earn $1,400 per sale. And if you get in now, before we actually officially launch the next product, then you're going to get a $100 discount. So it's best to get started now, and then you can figure out how the whole thing works. Then you'll be ready to go once we do the launch. So now imagine that you're going to earn $1,400 per sale, right? So my name is Dan and I'm from Michigan, and I used to be a monk for 10 years. And now I just help people make money online in the digital marketing space so that you can live a life of freedom, right? And I found this program because the company that I was working for like 5 years, they decided to cut our pay in half. And I decided, like, I don't want to work for people ever again. I'd rather be my own boss. I'd rather figure out how to make money online. And that's when I discovered this business last year in 2024. And since then, I've gone on to make thousands of dollars, and I've used that money to just pay off debts, travel more, and invest in things. Okay. So I'm going to share with you exactly how this business works. I'm going to show you what the sales funnel looks like and the programs and all that stuff. Plus our community, we have a community of over 56,000 people that you get to join for free for live interactive mentoring from 6 and 7-figure income earners. So I'm going to share that with you too. So all you need to do this business, this is the most simple beginner friendly business that you could possibly find. All you need is Wi-Fi, your phone, and 2 hours a day. Okay. That's it. And basically what you're doing to build your business is you're posting 3 pieces of content a day, mostly videos. That's what most of us do. Videos, you can also go live and you can also post free ads. And what you're doing is attraction marketing. So you're attracting customers to you. You're building your email list. You're going to learn how to do that. If you don't know how to do that already, you're going to be building your email list. And then once people are inside of your automations, they can buy from you at any time. So our 2-hour workday, you're posting content, you're going live, you're responding to messages, you're replying to emails. And then you're going through trainings inside of our community. Like we have a daily millionaire mentoring training that's like 2 to 7 minutes. It's a video that you watch to help you build your business. So we like to say, like, you're in business for yourself, but you're not building your business by yourself. So now I'm going to share with you, I'm going to share my screen with you and show you exactly how this business looks and what you need to do to get started and all that stuff. So let me just share my screen real quick. All right. That's my YouTube channel. So let me show you the sales funnel. Okay. So we give you this pre-built, done-for-you sales funnel that's already proven to convert. We did $29 million in sales with this in 10 months. So now we're probably way over 30 million in sales. So it's already proven to convert, and we all use the same system basically. So this is what happens. Like, people click on your link, they're going to go here. This is called a capture page. What you're doing is you're capturing people's emails and you're building your email list. And then it takes them through the sales funnel, right? This is a thank you page after they put their email in. They're going to watch this video. You can see there's little testimonies here. $1,800 a day, $10,000 for March, $1,500 a day, $1,300 a day, $2,000 a day, $5,000 in 8 days. It's pretty easy to earn money like that when you're earning $900 per sale, 100% profit, soon to be $1,400. So it's not really difficult to have days like that or weeks like that or months like that. So these videos are going to be doing the selling for you. This is part of the sales funnel. That's why you can build a business without even having to talk to people. You don't have to get on the phone with people. You don't have to cold message people because the sales funnel is doing the work for you. Okay. And then here's another video that we send out in people's emails. So these 2 videos are answering like 99% of people's questions for you, right? And then ultimately all these pages, you see how there's these different buttons here, right? These buttons will take people to this page, which is, the website, or you can call it a sales page. Okay. So like, unlock 100% profit, earn $300 to $900 a day with a proven 2-hour workday. Okay. So you don't have to create these pages. These pages are already created for you. You just have to set them up. And here are the programs that we sell. Okay. Like I said, these are digital programs in the e-learning industry. So these are educational programs. You're basically selling education. They teach you everything about how to be an entrepreneur, how to do digital marketing, how to build an online business, how to scale it to 6 or 7 figures, all that kind of stuff you're going to be learning inside of these programs, So not only do you get to use the programs, learn from the programs, you get to resell the programs for 100% profit. Plus, we have a community as a bonus that you get access to, where you get daily coaching from a millionaire, you get live mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners inside of our community. That's what you get as a bonus. Okay, people charge money just to be in communities like this, but you get that for free, and your customers do too. So how would an extra 300 and 900 per day change your life? Okay, just imagine that. Like 900 a day, that's $27,000 a month and $328,000 a year. Now, it's not going to happen overnight, but that's the goal that you want to set for yourself, or whatever your goals are. Just set a goal for yourself and don't stop until you hit that goal. Okay, so we have 50,000 people in our community. We've done $29 million in sales in 10 months. We teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. So let's say you decide to invest in this program. You purchase one of the programs, right? And then all you need to do is sell one of the programs, and then you get your investment back, and then your business is free. And then every sale after that is pure profit. Like, we call it profit mode. I've been in profit mode for the past, over a year, because when I started my business, I got my first sale in like 2 to 3 weeks. And we didn't even have this 7-day training when I started. We didn't have the training that shows you how to get your first sale in 7 days. But I still got my first sale in like 2 to 3 weeks. And you also get the certification training when you begin. So you learn how to how to promote this program like a pro. You learn the do's and the don'ts of digital marketing. And like I said, we keep 100% profit. This is what separates us from the competition. Every other business opportunity out there, the fact that we earn 100% profit per sale, the fact that we have high ticket sales, the fact that we have a community where there's live mentoring and daily coaching from a millionaire. Pretty much nobody else on the internet has this stuff. I've never seen it, at least. Okay. Then we have these testimonials here. Then you just got to see how I have my picture here. You put your picture here. I have my pictures here, me in Nepal, me in the Bahamas, right? So imagine if you could earn 900 per day and passive income, which is 2 hours of work. Work from anywhere in the world with just your phone and Wi-Fi. Have freedom to travel and spend time with family and live life. Okay. So if you want to learn more, just go to 7figuremonk.com. There's a link in the description. You can look through all the sales funnel. You can see how it works, because the same automations that I'm using are basically the same automations that you can use as well. I just modified mine a little bit. I put my own pictures in, and I would recommend that you do that too. And we show you how to do it. And then you put your bio here and stuff like that. Okay. So people go to your website and they purchase one of these products, 100, 300, 600, or 900, right? And then there's also payment plans available for you or your customers. If you want to get started, there's also payment plans. If you need help setting up a payment plan for whatever reason, just, reply to my emails and I can help you set up a payment plan as well. So it's super affordable for anybody. And like I said, all you need is one sale and then your business is free. So it's not a big deal, really. One sale, come on, you can get one sale. Like, you can do that. Okay. So I'm just showing you what the website looks like. Here's me. I put some pictures here. I'm hanging out with people inside of the community, inside of these pictures, actually. Like, everybody in these pictures are either they're part of our community or they have been part of our community at some point, right? So here's me hanging out with the creator of this program. Her name is Michelle. She's made like $10 million in 3 years. She does mentoring inside of our community every single day. So she's pretty awesome. I've met her numerous times. It's great. So why is this perfect for you? And she's awesome, by the way. She's she really wants people to be successful. And the only reason I made any money is through her mentoring, So why is this perfect for you? Like, you want to make extra income from home, but you don't know where to start. Your 9 to 5 doesn't provide financial security. You need a better way. You want to work from anywhere just using your phone or laptop. You're tired of trading time for money and want income that works even when you're not. Things like that. Okay. Why this proven process works? This is the process of reselling other people's products. Everybody does it. Just like so many people resell Apple phones. Like, Amazon resells other people's products. Department stores resell other people's products. Supermarkets, they resell other people's products. That's just business 101. That's been happening since the beginning of business, and it will continue to happen. So reselling other people's products is not a new thing. Okay. Affiliate marketing, same thing. Multi-level marketing, same thing. Drop shipping, same thing. You're selling other people's products. Okay. But the difference is we earn 100% profit per sale. We don't have small commissions. You don't have to create anything. Okay, you earn high ticket commissions. You're not splitting your commissions with all these other business models. Affiliate marketing, multi-level marketing, drop shipping, fulfilled by Amazon. You're splitting commissions with other people. With this, you're not. You get to keep 100% of the profits. Okay. So yeah, you just purchase one of the programs, and then you're good to go. That's basically the website. Plus, you get all these bonuses. You get access to our community for free. You get to learn how to create your own communities, Canva crash course, my first million in 17 months. You get a 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan to help you promote your business or any business. Plus, whatever skills you learn about like marketing through this system, through this program, through our community, these are transferable skills that you can use for any business moving forward. That's why we have three kinds of buyers, right? Sometimes we have business owners, they just want to learn how to market online, so they purchase a program. Other times we have people that want to learn how to create their own products, because we do that too. We teach people how to create their own offers and market those. And then there's just people that just want to make money just by reselling the programs. So there's three types of buyers, okay? So we also teach you how to do faceless marketing and how to create your own digital products and market those as well. And yep, that's basically the website. You can check it out yourself at sevenfiguremonk.com. The link's in the description. Okay, so let's say you're ready to start a business. Let's say you're tired of being overworked and underpaid. You're ready to start a side hustle. You're ready to start a business, and then you decide to purchase one of these programs, right? So as soon as you purchase the program, you're gonna have access to your program, right? It's gonna say, view all my products here. And here's your certification training. You just wanna go through this training. Basically, you're just watching these videos. That's what the product is. It's the education, okay? It's the videos, it's the training. That's the product, right? That's what you're selling, education, valuable education, because most people, they don't know how to do this stuff, right? Here's your bonuses here. And then one of the first things you want to do is you want to go inside of your program, whichever the most expensive program is that you purchased, just start there. And then you go through, it shows you click here to get started. Just follow the program. The program was set up like a recipe, step by step, to show you exactly how to scale your business from 0 to 6 or 7 figures over time. So you just follow the steps in the program. It's like a recipe, right? And one of the first things you need to do is get your website set up, okay? So you got to go here, website setup. You go to GoDaddy, you get your own domain, your professional email address. Like my domain is sevenfiguremonk.com, okay? And then my email address is like support@sevenfiguremonk.com, right? And that's connected, because you need that if you're doing email marketing. You need a professional business email. It's just, otherwise you just have to have that. It's required. And you want to be a professional anyways. You want to do things like a pro. And you got to attach your payment gateways to your website. That's how you receive your payments, like Stripe, Square, PayPal. We show you how to set those up, and we show you how to attach it to your website. So what you're doing is you're setting up this system right here. You're setting up these pages. That's what you're doing, okay? So then, yeah, it's going to show you how to connect your domain. It's going to show you how to connect everything. And basically all it is this: you're watching these videos, and you're just copying and pasting your information into the system, and then you're ready to go. And then your business is all set up. You're going to have these pages. Once these pages are ready, then you have your own business and you're ready to receive payments, right? Okay. And then after you set up your system, your website, and your sales funnel, then you want to go to this. It's a launch kit for your online business, okay? This is going to show you how to get your first sale in 7 days. Launching your online business, your vision, your income earning activities, which is a 2-hour workday, which is posting content on social media, going live, posting free ads. Those are the income earning activities. Choosing your social media platform, understanding social media algorithms, what is attraction marketing, who is my customer, things like this. That's the kind of stuff you're going to be learning. And then you go through that, you get your first sale, and then you just go through the rest of the training, right? Marketing and social media training, discovery method, how to find and attract your ideal customers, master storytelling and social media and video marketing. Regardless of what kind of business you're trying to promote, you got to learn these fundamentals. Otherwise, you'll never really make any money. The reason why people don't make money trying to sell things online, because they don't learn how to market the right way. So we teach you how to market, okay? And then let's go inside of our community. So you get access to our community for free. And once you get started, you can just introduce yourself. You can ask questions. Just go here to this write something, and let's go to the wins. So I'm going to show you proof that people are making money right now, because every day someone's making money. Like either it's me or somebody else. Somebody's making money inside of this program, okay, inside of the community, right? So let's find a win. Like people can, this is the win section, right? So people can post whatever win they want to post. But I'm just looking for the money wins right now, just to show you proof, because people always like to see proof, right? Here's some proof right here. Tim Hess, $2,700 before 9:30 a.m. So I had to go golfing. So imagine that it's before 9:30 in the morning, and he's made $2,700. That means 3 sales of 900. Okay, 3 sales before 9:30 in the morning, because of our automated system. That's how he's able to make $2,700, guys. And then he went golfing because he loves to golf, right? So there's your proof right there. 3 sales, boom. Here's another one. Charlene, $300 before 7 p.m. Yep. So another one, first sale, $300 for Yolandi. I'm so excited, I just can't hide it. Boom. So there's your proof, right? And that's just one page. We have 30 posts per page. We have 31,000 pages of wins. Let's just go to page number 2 just to show you some more. Let's find another one. $200 sales on my way to church because we have 4 different products. So $200 on the way to church. Pinch me. $1,800 while I was sleeping for Wendy. She's sleeping. She made $1,800 USD because we get paid in American dollars. She lives in Canada. I know because I know a lot of these people in our community because I've been inside of our community for like a year. And I've been to the live events because we also do live events. It's like I've met Wendy personally. So she made $1,800 while she was sleeping. So yeah, there you go. That's the proof right there. And let's go into our classroom. So we also have bonus trainings in our classroom, like a getting started training here. Okay. And we go on these 90-day runs. We show you how to make 30K in 90 days, all that stuff. Social media training, content vault, 6 figures in 6 months. Okay. And then here's a calendar. This shows you where we have our live events. Like today, we're having a free webinar that you can watch. You can attend, ask questions. And we have this shows you the Nets live trainings that we have. Okay. And that's the community. And like I said, you just got to get started. You set up your business. You're following a 2-hour workday. So basically post 3 pieces of content a day, go live, and you can also post free ads. Now, I just like to post content and I just like to go live. That's been effective for me, and that's been effective. Like the people that are making multiple 6 figures and 7 figures, they're doing the same thing. They're basically posting content and going live more than anything else, right? But you can also post free ads if you want to do that. So here's videos. Like I create all these long form videos on YouTube, which is like videos that are over 10 minutes long. Okay. Those are long form videos. And then I do shorts, like videos that are 3 minutes or less. I usually keep my short videos like for around a minute, where I'm just like talking for like 30 seconds to a minute. Just, creating curiosity. We teach you how to create content. We teach you how to go live. We teach you how to do everything, even if you have 0 experience. Okay. And it's just like practice. All you need is confidence. You just need confidence. You need to be coachable, and you need to be consistent, right? So confidence just comes by doing things, by taking action. So the more you post content, the more confident you're going to get posting content. The more you go live, the more confident you're going to get going live. And then here's my lives that I recorded and saved to YouTube too. So I got my lives, I got my content out there working for me 24/7. Okay. And then on YouTube as well, you can do all these different written posts. So like I create these stuff with like AI. Like we teach how to use AI too. So I create these different things with AI and just, and written copy, like motivational stuff, value posts, just giving people value. So that's what I like about YouTube is like you can do written stuff, you can do videos, you can do everything on YouTube. And YouTube is pretty much my favorite platform, but you can use TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, whatever social media platform you want to use. It's all right. All you're basically doing is, driving traffic to your offer. Okay. You want to send people to your link. So that's why we do attraction marketing. You post content and you're driving traffic to your offer. Okay. So if you want to learn more, if you're ready to get started, just go here, 7figuremonk.com. There's a link in the bio. Just check it out. Put in your details. Check out the information. If you have any questions, just reply to my emails because I check my emails every single day. And just make sure to like this video. Share this video with someone who needs it. If you know someone who's like overworked, underpaid, they're stressed out financially, make sure to share this video with them. And yeah, just subscribe to the channel because I'll always be posting a bunch of value. I'll be sharing like this business and whatever other marketing tips, mindset tips, all that kind of stuff, ways to make money online. That's the kind of stuff I'll be sharing here. So thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.